It's been a while since we have a viewer request. Thank you, Nkaug for the request. So if you want to see something baked in the rice cooker, put it in the comment below. And let's prepare a few things before we get started. This papaya was ripe and sweet. Roughly chop about a cup or about 200 grams. And then puree in a blender or food processor, whatever you have. Measure out the amount we need. And who has one of these choppers? Let me know down below. I really like mine. You will need about 2 bananas for this recipe and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I always mix my flour and baking powder together before adding it to the wet ingredient. Mixing your baking powder thoroughly into the flour will ensure you have an even rice cake. Please note that the full recipe and oven baking instructions are in the description box below. And if you're brand new to baking in your rice cooker, make sure you watch to the end because I do have some important tips to help you be successful. And you have the option of topping it with some whole nuts. I did have some chopped nuts left over, so I'm just going to use it up right here. Let's start our bake cycle. One bake cycle is about 5 to 10 minutes in hot heat in this cook status, and 20 to 25 minutes in low heat in the warm status. Press the cook button. Set a timer for 30 minutes. And when the timer goes off, press the cook button again. Now this is after 2 bake cycle, which is 1 hour later. And we still have wet batter, so we're not done. Let's do 1 more bake cycle. And you have to repeat this process until your baked good is done. And this is after the 3rd bake. And my toothpick is clean, so we are done baking. Cool it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Oh darn, black bottom. This is my hotter rice cooker. If you did bake any of my recipe, I would love to see them. So send me some pictures or a short video. You can use email, or connect with me through any of these social media. I will have all the links at the bottom of the description box. And this is really good. The chia seeds add this extra crunch, kind of like poppy seeds in some of the bread. If you did enjoy my video, it would mean a lot to me if you click that like button and do share my videos with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so that you know when I upload a new video. You will love this recipe. So be sure to come back and watch more videos. This bread is not very sweet at all. I do have links to more videos below, but a few of them will show up right here on screen as well. Go ahead, click on them.